If you have kids, then you're very familiar with germs. If you're worried that a normal wash and dry cycle isn't doing enough to tackle all those germs, try the Steam Sanitize Plus option. This feature on your dryer blasts your laundry load with steam, helping to remove germs and other nasty stuff. Be sure not to overfill your dryer when using this feature to ensure your items have enough space to get fully saturated with the hot steam. Also, make sure your garments are at least partially wet before using this feature. Power on your dryer. Set the cycle selector to Steam Sanitize Plus. With the Steam Sanitize Plus option, certain settings are automatically locked in, like the dryness level and the temperature. Of the additional options, the only one compatible with Steam Sanitize Plus is the Wrinkle Prevent option, so feel free to turn that on. This will intermittently run the dryer for 180 minutes after the cycle is complete in order to prevent wrinkles, but the load can be removed at any time. Now, just press start. For those extra germy laundry loads, now you don't have to wonder whether your washer is really getting the job done.